Okay, so welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use another method called either the addition method or the subtraction method. Okay, so I'm going to go through the steps and then we're going to do an example or two. Okay, so now here are the steps. So we call it addition or subtraction method. Typically it's the subtraction method or the addition method. Or sometimes it's called the elimination method, as you'll see in a minute why. So what we're going to do is, first step is write the equation in standard form, and you'll see what I mean by that if you don't. Two, if necessary, what you want to do is multiply one or both of the equations by a constant so that one of the coefficients for both, or for one of the unknowns, or both coefficients for one of the unknowns is the same value but could have different signs. Okay, whether they have the same sign or the different sign, we'll handle that a little bit differently. That's where the addition or subtraction part comes in. So that's step two. Multiply, if necessary, one or both of the equations by a constant. They don't have to be the same constant, but by a constant that will result in both of the coefficients for one of the two unknowns to be the same. Three, if they have different signs, if those coefficients have different signs, we're going to add the equations. If they have the same sign, we're going to subtract the two equations. Why do we do that? Because in step three, we're going to eliminate one of the two unknowns so that we get the result of having one equation with one unknown that we can solve. And then 4 says solve the resulting equation from step 3 for the one unknown. And then 5 is we're going to then take the value of the one unknown that we solved for in 4, and we're going to substitute that value into one of the original equations in step 1 and solve for the other unknown. And then step 6 is check to make sure that that your solutions are correct. So we're going to basically make sure that we get true statements. Okay? That's it.